Hello, you guys. We are going to get into some celebrity news that's going on about Jay-Z having an alleged son. Now, what's going on here is back in 1992, apparently Jay-Z met his alleged son's mother, and they had a tryst. And that was in 1992, and at that time she was only 16 years old, and Jay-Z was 22, I believe. So right there, she was a minor, she was still in high school, and he was a full-grown man, So I just want to get into context that Jay-Z likes girls on the younger side. He's also, as we know, married to Beyonce, who was 10 years his junior, and I believe he met her when she was still in high school, and they kept it on the down low, And Aaliyah, she was young, and her and Jay-Z might have been dibbling and dabbling, and Aaliyah was what? She was young. She was 21, 22 when she passed, so she couldn't have been no more than a teenager when she was hanging around with Jay-Z and who else? So many other people back then. And then think about Foxy Brown. She alleges that she was underage when her and Jay-Z were messing around. So right there we have a pattern that Jay-Z does like young girls or young women. And there is a great possibility that Rymir Satterwaite, I'm not pronouncing it correctly, I'm sure, is actually his son. And he has been trying to get a paternity test for Jay-Z for years. His own mother, before she passed in 2019, Wanda Satterwaite, was trying to get a paternity test. She signed an affidavit and everything, trying to prove that Jay-Z was the father. They had protected sex, but the protection broke, and it was between Jay-Z and another guy she was dating at the time, which he took a paternity test and found out he was not the father. And so that just left Jay-Z, she said, because those were the only two guys she slept with during that time. So Rymir has been out here trying to get justice for his mother. He says he does not want anything from Jay-Z. He just wants it to be known that Jay-Z is his father. He said he believes Jay-Z knows that he is his father, but because of the fact that his mother was underage, Jay-Z does not want to go through with a paternity test. So they have filed court documents and all this stuff. And at some point recently, I guess he felt threatened, Rymir felt threatened because of some things that was going on, so he dropped the paternity test. But he will be coming back for that paternity test. Now let's get into something that, is this just a coincidence or is this a guilty conscience? Now Jay-Z and Beyonce have 3 children, Blue Ivy and the twins, Sir Carter and Rumi. Now Rymir and Rumi, does it sound kind of similar? Here's the spelling of Rymir, R-Y-M-I-R. Here's the spelling of Rumi, R-U-M-I. So there's some similarities there. So do you think Jay-Z was kind of undercover trying to pick a name close to Rymir and whatever? But, you know, from what I'm hearing, Beyonce doesn't want no part of this because, as we know, they want to be this perfect family where they just have 3 children and that's it. She does not want any outside kids from Jay-Z. She don't want to be nobody's stepmama. And then I also heard that he has a daughter, and she's a little bit older than Rymir. And I'm like, what is going on here? So he does not claim these children. And to me, a man who knows he has children by someone else outside of his wife and he doesn't claim them, he is a piece of crap. Knowing that those are your children with your blood flowing through their veins and you helped create them. You are a piece of crap to do that to a child, to do that to a person who they claim you are their parent, you are the donor. And he's refusing, Jay-Z is refusing to take a blood test. He's paying off every judge, lawyer that he can find so that he doesn't have to take that paternity test. So I don't know if Rymir is going to continue his claim, but it's really sad that if Jay-Z has other children and he doesn't claim them, he's a piece of crap. I cannot stand it when men look at the mother and disown their children because of the mother, even though that's their kid. And you know, some mothers may do that, but mama's baby, daddy's maybe. We don't know, and I don't know what to tell you guys. But let's just listen to some of what Rymir has to say.
Hey, what's up with everybody? It's your boy Rymir here. I just wanted to get on here and let everybody know the updates, what's going on. It's been a crazy couple weeks, y'all. I want to let y'all know that I have not stopped my fight. You know, I did withdraw my case. It's for a reason, y'all. It's not because I'm stopping with it or not going to refile it or anything like that. It's just a lot going on behind closed doors. That's only one case that we withdrew for right now. But it's a lot going on. You know how this industry works. These judges, these lawyers, these high celebrity people, they try to use all different types of tactics and call it what you want, bully tactics. And
so what do you guys think? Is he Jay-Z's son? Do you see the similarities? And what do you guys think about that? All right, I'll keep you posted on this case and let you know what's going on and see if Jay-Z ever takes that paternity test. And until I see you guys again, you have a great day. Bye.